Alright, what's good YouTube? Real quick before I jump into today's video, it's not really like a set vlog. I want to do like a little edit slash vlog of kind of like various footage I have for each day I was filming, because each day I was filming in the shop here recently. I wanted to make a vlog for the channel, but things got split up because my life is like really hectic sometimes. I was sick, wasn't feeling good, wasn't feeling well, had stuff going on. So I was like, you know what, I'm just kind of giving like a little like insight and like cut up clips on like what life is like inside the shop, car life, and yeah, so hope y'all enjoy.
It's a cop! It's a cop! It's a cop! Hold on, bro! It's a cop! It's a cop! Ah! It's a cop!
Booger sugar. What is booger sugar? You know what the booger sugar? Twin turbo. Oh my goodness! Doing, Doug?
We're just going to replace the whole clear bar so it looks nice and clean again. So we got this going on. That's getting a wrap. This F350 back here is getting a cab swap. My G35 out there is getting some cosmetic work done. It'll look good. Hey Sergio, isn't it time for our annual pay raises?
What is that?
It's that time of the, what is that? Isn't it that time of the month, you think? You know what I'm saying? What's pay? Oh, nah. Let me call the IRS. This is what happens when you have no microwave. Shut up. Customer said it was dipped, but it's not dipped, it's painted. So to keep the cost of things low, we're just gonna do a good paint job over the old paint job. They want yellow. Yellow, right? We're doing red. We're doing red. Okay, all right, well, we're done. All right, that's the end of today's video. All right, guys, thanks for signing in. Thanks for clicking on the video. Stupid, what color are we doing them?
Red. She actually wants red.
What's the color code?
Red, R-E-D.
R-E-D. All right, so one time, short little side story, guys. One time, right? He wanted me to check with the painting guy at my other job about a price, for getting some body parts painted on the car, right? It was a red, the annoying red, the ugly looking red 370Z. And so I was like, all right, yeah, I'm gonna go ask my painter. I said, just tell me what the code is. He said, it's red. I said, yeah, no, Sergio, tell me what the paint code is. He said, it's red. I said, Sergio, stop playing around. What is the paint code? You know what he sent me? R-E-D. I called him. I said, Sergio, stop playing. I don't got time for that. The dude's right here. I said, what's the paint code? He said, Cardi, I told you. R-E-D.
Really?
Why are we doing red again?
She just wants it to be done shinier, glossier, and put the rainbow thing on.
I thought it was yellow. I put the window down. I'm over here looking for the thing right here. I don't see it. And I went to go look for the little thing over here. I still don't see it. You got the Lambo set up. You got me and my boy Sergio. You know what I'm saying? Say hi, Sergio.
Your boy? I don't know about all that.
Yeah, my slave Sergio. Get to work. Wipe it down. Why can't you just pull up like a normal G owner? You just had it air out, huh?
Air it out.
I'm not aired out. I'm not aired out. You okay? Hey, Mom. We got Boosted Vet here. Balaz over here.
Hello?
Hey, you get some of the dirt off my lens? Hey, cool it. Yeah. But my man got the Z back. You know he's sized. Shop car is back. You know what I'm saying? Be careful with the lenses. All right, quick update.
Yo.
We all made it here safely to carpool.
Did you see that Honda pass by on the left, bro?
Intake, and there's 4 intakes: cold air, and then there's the warm air. You gotta run all 4.
Alright, so you have cold air, warm air.
No, this is warm air, cold air, medium air.
Medium.
Like
okay, well, how does the air get in here?
through the headlights.
Oh, headlight induction. Okay. Oh, like the turbos that be in the headlights, the little fake me outs?
Yeah, that was a question for these nipples. That's our nipples.
Hold on. I got this. Hold on.
Lick your finger first and then do it. Lick your finger first.
There you go.
Hey, man, Lowe's is that way.
Yeah, but we gotta pass through here to go to Lowe's.
Oh, I get it. Okay, so the way the parking lot's designed, they're repaving over there, so we have to pass through the Starbucks drive-through.
Order a caramel frappuccino, then go to Lowe's.
Well, they don't let you through unless you order?
No, you have to order.
You have to order. All right, good. I'll definitely have a pumpkin spice latte. Yeah, there you go. And
Good, how are you? Super nice. She sounds really nice.
she used to work at Chick-fil-A. She's an ex-Chick-fil-A employee. Come on, man. Bro, what outfit are you? Each and every day, you sure. You just.
Why you gotta put my outfit out there, man?
Come on, what is this outfit you got on here?
It was 7 a.m.
Each and every day, you stray further and further away from God. I hope you know that. God watches you get dressed. He's like, yeah, that's not my child anymore.
Back to the beautiful city of Clinton.
Beautiful and Clinton do not go together. Beautiful and Clinton, Maryland do not go together, okay? No.
Yeah.
All right, hurry up. Come on.
Yeah, this is my blue card. You know what I'm saying?
Card declined.
Only
Billy. Billy, where are you going on that horse?
You're going to Uptown Road.
I'm gonna take my horse down Uptown Road. I'm gonna. Is this where I get paid?
I gotta pay them. They take my money. I'm a slave for them.
My hand is still empty and dirty from hard work, but
You worked for 2 hours. Ow!
Slice, this has got to stop. Jimmy, this has got to stop, all right?
What?
This is getting out of hand. Take the character off your face.
Being smart.
Cost efficiency.
But then again, we don't really.
Where do we have cost efficiency? We have Sergio for a boss.
You're right.
Cost efficient, my behind. He's gonna be like, I want to spend the most I can. That's more of a tax write-off. Okay.
You would've got shot in Arlington.
Okay. What? Arlington. The nicest, safest place in the U.S. Arlington.
It's actually less than 1% crime. It's like really safe.
Happened in Arlington.
I know. The worst. You know the worst thing that's ever happened in Arlington?
Maybe one person
My
not paying
friend
taxes?
stole 2 packs of beer, 24 packs, and he got chased by like 10 cops.
I don't want to know. Wow!